Welcome to ETT, Everyday Tech Things. I'm Shango, a creative from Jamaica, and on this channel, I talk about technology, from low-tech to high-tech. This is Creative Studio Tour 1.0. Welcome to the channel. Let me give you an idea of who I am and why I have a creative studio in the first place. I am a multidisciplinary creative. I do photography, videography, graphic design, live producing, and more. In my triple monitor setup, I have two 4K LG 27-inch and a 4K curved 32-inch. The desk itself is an Akoi Joy electronic standing desk. My mouse is a Logitech G604 and a Clip Extreme keyboard. I have a Stream Deck XL, 32 keys for macro, and a Flowtech soundbar. Echo Dot for automation. I'll be showing you how I use automation to simplify my work home life in a coming video. Let's start camera gear. Right now, I am using Sony camera. I have an A7S II, an A7R II, and an A7 III that I'm shooting this on. I have owned Nikons and Canons, and I still have most of my Canon lenses. A Rokinon 16, 35, 85mm cine lens kit, a Canon 50mm f1.2 L lens, a Tamron 90mm macro f2.8, and all my other lenses are Sony. A 18-105 f4, a 28mm f2.8, and a 10-18mm f4. I am eyeing the Blackmagic 6K right now. Yes, I am a gearhead. Right behind me, you can see my Hisense Roku 4K TV, which I'm very impressed with so far. Look out for that review. I use it mainly for entertainment, watching YouTube videos, playing games, but sometimes for work, especially when I'm live producing. What's pouring it all is a Ryzen build. I have an Asus Prime B350 motherboard, a Ryzen 7 1700 processor, a GeForce GTX 1070 video card, a AGVA 1000 watt power supply. The operating system is on a Samsung 960 EVO M.2. My working drive is a 512 Samsung 850 Pro SSD and a Western Digital 6TB hard drive for storage with 32 gig of Corsair LPX RAM, all packed into an NZXT H440 mid-tower. I made this computer back in 2017 and I'll be upgrading it very shortly. If you have been following tech news, you would have noticed that Ryzen announced their 5000 series to be released in November. However, because of COVID, it has been delayed until January. I can't wait to start my new build. Look out for that video. Thanks for watching. If you have made it this far, I'll be making many more videos showing you how I use technology to simplify my work home life and also be exploring a lot of tech. Tell me in the comments what you think about my creative studio. Do you like it? What you think I can improve or change? Feel free to subscribe and follow me on this journey. Let's discover technology together. I am Shango, a creative from Jamaica. This is ETT, Everyday Tech Things. See you in my next video. Blessings and guidance.